What is an NFT? How the heck does it work? So let's get, thanks Sal, let's get right into it. An NFT is anything in a digital format. What do I mean by that? Art, collectibles, domain names, kind of weird, music, photography, sports, trading cards, utility, and virtual worlds, which is just gaming. Anything that you can buy, sell, or trade on an NFT auction marketplace. You need to use cryptocurrency, and you do this on what's called the blockchain. And the blockchain is also online, and that is how you validate, verify, and certify ownership of a digital asset. As you can see, NFTs cover a vast universe now. Musicians are selling NFT songs and audio. What is the format they're selling them in? An MP3. You are a musician or you are interested in purchasing an NFT of a song or audio. You're going to be purchasing it in an MP3 format. It is going to be purchased with cryptocurrency, and it is going to be recorded for everyone to see on the blockchain. Of course, artists are creating NFTs. Athletes, celebrities, brands are hopping on this big time. How are they selling these? What are the formats? A GIF, a JPEG, a video. NFTs created the crypto art movement. There never was one digital art before. They literally launched a brand new movement in the history of art, changing forever. Now, it's not just the Venus of Willendorf. Now, it's not just the Mona Lisa. Now, it's not just Andy Warhol's whoever celebrity it is of the time, but it's also digital art like CryptoPunks. This is what is so incredible about what's happening in the world today with NFTs and crypto and blockchain. How in the world did this all happen? Because it seems insane, right? That this could even have happened. Well, money. Like, what else does make the world go round? Money. This CryptoPunk, number 7804, was the first major knock it out of the ballpark sale of CryptoPunks, and it sold for $7.5 million.
Just that one single NFT.
Just this guy here with his pipe and his hat and his glasses and his, I don't know what color face that is, and his weirdo nose. And wow. The owner's name is Dylan Field, F-I-E-L-D. Why is that important? It's important because if you get on Twitter, you can find Dylan Field, look him up, and you can follow him on Twitter, okay? And you can look at the things that he's talking about and the terminology that he uses and the people that he follows and the people that follow him. You can learn all of this stuff on Twitter. And this is how you start to learn about NFTs and the NFT market and art on NFTs and what is valuable and why, and what makes something valuable and why. And this is how you can up your education level and have fun. And have fun doing it, because Twitter is a blast. I mean, a lot of people hate it, but I love it, and I think it's really, really, really fun. Pros and cons. What are the pros to creating, buying, selling, and trading NFTs? Number one, they give you the ability to assign or claim ownership of a digital asset and say, yes, this is mine and I own it, and no, it is not yours for real. And it can be any kind of digital data. It can be a GIF, a JPEG, an MP3, a video, anything that you can create as a digital asset can become a unique NFT. It is also trackable on the blockchain for anyone to see. You can go and look at and literally see right on the blockchain. How did this happen? Who owns it? When was it recorded? This is all stored on the blockchain as what is now called a digital ledger, as opposed to a physical paper ledger where people were recording things. Now, this is all digitally done on the blockchain, establishing proof of ownership. It is a public record, so you can verify for yourself. You don't have to just take somebody's word for it. Why would you? Go and look. You can do this. Yeah, you can actually do this. It is a hot market. It is a trending market, and you can make so much money. Your head will explode off of NFTs. It's fun. It's exciting. And if you like collecting stuff, these are collectibles. Yeah, NFTs are collectibles. Plus, you join a brand new community, and this community is different. It is techno-speak community. It is a forward-thinking community. It is people on the forefront of what is happening technologically in our world. That is very important because you then, when you join this community, will get in on what are people saying? What are they buying? Why? What are they saying about this artist? Or what are they saying about that NFT collection? And why? Are they buying or not? And why? And there is so much that you can learn within the community. This is also how you grow your own community. If you want to sell NFTs yourself, if you want to create and sell NFTs yourself, how do you do it? You have to build a community. So becoming a part of a community and creating your own community is huge with NFTs, and it is something that you definitely want to know. Cons to creating, buying, selling, trading. Gas fees to mint NFTs. Actually, there are computers around the world working 24 hours, 7 days a week, generating this code, which uses a tremendous amount of electricity and is actually using up a ton of natural resources. It's called POW, proof of work, to generate with gas fees. Now, there is a new thing called POS, proof of stake. Totally different. Cons, scams, fakes, hacks, all this stuff is happening and will always happen. And you know what? That has happened with everything, hasn't it? I mean, even the Mona Lisa, even fine art has been forged, and there are so many forgeries in museums right now where people think that they're real, but they're not. They're forgery, but it still doesn't, you go to the museum and you think, oh, this is real, this is a unique one of one, but you're wrong, it's not, it's a fake. So yeah, there are tons of scams and forgeries and fakes on everything all the time in the world forever, and that's the way it's going to be. So if that's going to stop you, well, geez. Cons, blockchain technology, in other words, crypto, learning curve. Big learning curve here, okay? There's a lot to learn. Creating a project or even just creating a one. Big learning curve on just like, how do you do it? What do you do? If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, please subscribe so that you don't miss a single video. If you like this video, I love those likes. Please like it. We are so happy that you are here getting inspired. Whatever you want to do with NFTs using crypto and the blockchain, we love that you are here doing that. If you are a newbie to this space, I have created a master class, NFT Bootcamp for beginners to master NFTs, including wallets and cryptocurrency and setting up on OpenSea and creating a collection and creating your NFTs. How do you do that? I even show you how to do that in Canva. Everything you need to know how to create, buy, and sell NFTs in 5 days. You could literally go through the entire course in 5 days. On day 1, what are NFTs, crypto and the blockchain? Day 2, how do you create an NFT? What are the different formats for that? Day 3, set up your crypto wallet on Coinbase with MetaMask. Day 4, set up an NFT marketplace account on OpenSea. And then on day 5, there's a lot. Create your account in Canva. Set up your collection page on OpenSea. How do you list an NFT for sale and sell it on OpenSea? And then, of course, as a bonus, how to promote your NFT collection, because that is so incredibly important. Back to us and say thank you so much, guys, for joining us. We appreciate you, and we will see you in the next video. Right?
Bye for now.
Ciao, guys.
We'll be back.